All right, this is another one of those order of operations problems that is like set up to have trap doors in it. So, if he was, -8 minus 10 times -7. Now remember, when we're looking at these symbols right now, this is a this is a negative, this is a negative, and then this right now is a minus. Right, so if we're operating with that as a minus, and we think about the PEMDAS ladder, we can't do that for a while. So, parentheses, there's nothing to do inside of that parentheses. It's just keeping a negative. Exponents, we don't have any. So now multiply, divide. My multiplication is happening here. But be careful. This is not -10. Right now, it's minus 10. So if I do minus, this is just 10. So 10 times -7, -7d. Now the minus drops down, and we have -8. We should probably put that in parentheses. -8 minus -7d. Now we've got minus a negative, and what happens with minus a negative? Yeah, it becomes plus a positive. So we get -8 plus a positive 7d. Who's going to win this battle? Bad guys, good guys? Good guys by a lot, right? When we think about how much bigger is 70 compared to 8, that's going to be a difference of 62. That the good guys win by 62. Now, another way we can talk about like alleviating any confusion is if we take the like Mr. Hudson rule of we hate subtraction, right? This thing that I'm trying to brainwash you guys on, and we make this addition of a negative, and then we look at solving this problem. So still, this is addition, so this won't happen till later. This is a negative, right? So really that's not even an operation. But there's multiplication right here. So we need to multiply -10 times -7. What's a negative times a negative? Positive. The -8 drops down, and now our addition drops down. Notice how this is the same thing we just had in purple over here? Yeah. It's just a different route for solving it. So if we keep this as a minus and drop it down as a minus, then we get a negative product that then becomes positive because minus the negative. Or, just as correct, right? Not like right versus wrong, just as correct, if we make it addition of a -10, so we essentially turn that into a negative over here. Negative times negative makes a positive, and now we just organically have the addition, and these are exactly the same as each other. So sweet. That's what I like to hear.